to the New Mexico Museum of Natural History and Science. I'm Misty Carty, a museum educator here. Let's step inside and see all the wonderful things we've been working on since we've been closed. Since closing in March, staff here at the New Mexico Museum of Natural History and Science have been working hard not only to upgrade existing exhibits, but to also bring you 2 brand new exhibits in our atrium, as well as renovating our planetarium. Bella, our animatronic Bisti Beast, has 2 new touchscreen displays on either side of her where you can explore 2 new exhibits, one called Meet the Beast and one Land of the Beast. In Meet the Beast, you'll get to explore all about Bella, our actual Bisti Beast fossil, and about Tyrannosauruses. You can learn all about the growth rate of Tyrannosaurs. You can watch a video of our Bisti Beast skull being excavated. You can play with our interactive 3D Bisti Beast skull and spin it around to see our Bisti's teeth and learn more about them, as well as its jaw, and see where it actually has a bite wound, and even into its brain cavity. You can also watch a video of our animatronic Bisti Beast being built. In Land of the Beast, you can learn all about how the climate here in New Mexico has changed since the time of the dinosaurs. And this is what our part of the world here in New Mexico looked like 75 million years ago, when the Bisti Beast would have roamed the land. And to the right of Bella, we have a brand new touchless exhibit where you can immerse yourself in the land of New Mexico as it was 70 million years ago. And it interacts with the world. You'll step into the mark. We'll have a beautiful, wonderful footprint, just like our selfie footprint for the Bisti Beast. And you'll activate or call one of the animals that exists in the world, whether it be a Bisti Beast or if it's a Parasaurolophus or a Pentaceratops. And you'll be able to learn more over on our UI, which is being polished as we speak. Now, if you want to get a little dangerous, you can walk into our danger zone, and in this location, you might actually have an animal come up to the screen and maybe even attack. Directly above our new interactive wall, we have a brand new digital banner to highlight what is going on in the museum.
I'm Jim Greenhouse, the Space Science Director, and I want to welcome you to our beautiful new planetarium interior that was worked on while the museum was closed. You can see we've got all new seats in here. All these seats are wider than the ones we had before. They are super comfortable. And we've got about the same number of seats we had before, but we were actually able to add a whole new front row here. And this will be an accessible row, so people with that need accessibility can get in from either the bottom or the top of the planetarium now. And we've actually added a few features that will make it easier for people to get in and out of the planetarium. Part of the planetarium renovation was to try to make it a little safer going up and down all these stairs that we have here in the planetarium. So we did a few things. First of all, we put lights on the chairs on some of the rows. But when the new carpet was put in, we also put extra wide treads on the stairs so that if you do have to go up and down the stairs in the dark, you can kind of feel where the edges of the stairs are just a little more easily. But the main thing are these new lights on the walls. So as you can see, not only are they awesome because they move and they do all kinds of different colors, but during the shows, they're actually going to show red right above the steps. And so hopefully that will help to illuminate them when the movies are going on here in the planetarium so that people can move around a little bit more safely. So if you've ever been in the planetarium and needed accessible entrance, this area at the top, was kind of difficult to deal with because there was a railing and the edge of the seats and it was hard to squeeze in between them. But we've removed that platform at the top of the planetarium and opened up this entire area. And as you can see, there's plenty of room to put wheelchairs or strollers if needed. Plus, these chairs on the back row are actually movable, so we can reconfigure them in any way we want to. So we actually have a lot more flexibility here at the top of the planetarium for making people comfortable during shows. So here you can see our new floor lights doing another crazy pattern that we'll use when we have special performances here in the planetarium. And this area that you're looking at now is the front of the planetarium, which we've opened up so that we can actually have more live performances. We can move that front row of chairs, so there's plenty of space for live bands and theatrical performances, which we hope to do more of here in the planetarium in the future. So hidden under our beautiful new carpet is actually a secret. We've installed a new assisted hearing system so that if you actually have a T-coil device, you can come in and use it to hear the audio from the planetarium shows just a little bit better. That carpet, of course, is underneath our brand new seats. These seats are super cushy, and they are also just a couple of inches wider than our old seats. So hopefully that will help people enjoy their experience in the planetarium that much more and enjoy their comfortable rides through time and space.
We have new flooring in our Cretaceous Hall, which simulates being underwater like New Mexico was during that time period. And we have new lighting in our Jurassic Hall, highlighting our mural, bringing it new life.
Welcome to the New Mexico Museum of Natural History and Sciences homepage. Since we've been closed, we've been gathering educational materials and resources and creating new ones just for you at our Science at Home page. For our youngest patrons, we still have Science Storytime, where you can see new science story times and new science activities every month. If you've missed any, please check out our archive. We also have coloring sheets. You can choose from several places around New Mexico, including our Albuquerque volcanoes, and an awesome one for Shiprock. We have virtual field trips. You can go visit our Petroglyph National Monument with some of our geologists. We also have scavenger hunts, where you can actually go on our outdoor exhibits to see native plants from right here in New Mexico. And you can also check out what's been going on at our Sandia Mountain Natural History Center. They've been making a lot of really cool videos. Please enjoy all of the resources that we have on our Science at Home page while you're at home.
Thank you so much for joining us today while we explored all of the new and fun additions that we have going on at the museum. We can't wait to see all of you again and have you come and explore them for yourself. And while you're here, be sure to check out our selfie spot with Bella